afternoon. I wanted to go over one of our projects that we're working on right now in a basement. Looking at finishing. We tore down all the ceiling tiles. I'm sorry, all the drywall because of a plumbing issue that we repaired. Right here, there was a big plumbing issue. It had leaked and tore out all the drywall, and now we're installing it. And as you can see, there's Rachel with her knit cap, and Keith standing around, and Tracy doing all the work again. But this is some of the work we finished. I'm gonna put a video projector right here. It'll go out face that way. But all this drywall's been put up today, and we anticipate finishing it.
Putting it this way, right? You want it this way, right?
That's fine.
Okay, so
Once we measure it.
so you'll measure
As you can see,
2.5 from.
and then Katrina just came back. Rob and Christian had to go out somewhere, but you can see Keith getting ready to sit down again. So, but this is a project we're working on. Just wanted to come on real quick and just, you meet a lot of people on our team out in the field, but we do have people in the office who you don't see. Usually when you call into our company, you speak to Jinky. She's our office manager. You don't get to meet her. Then you also have Abigail. Abigail takes care of all the numbers, and when you get invoices, come from Abigail. So she takes care of all the everything to make sure our books are good. And then when you see these videos on Facebook and Instagram, that's Diana. Diana takes care of that and does a great job at that. Those are the type of people who really make us all look good on the back end, who help us out. And so she is but very good. But like I said, when you call, you'll speak with Jinky, and they definitely take care of us and also schedule all our appointments. But you can definitely see them or talk to them on the phone. But they are the people behind the scenes who make us all look good. So just real quick again, you can see that this is in Camp Hill, but we tore out the whole drywall, and then also now reinstalling all the new drywall here. So and then also, like I said, we had to run some electric to get the film projector, and then we'll also put some recessed lighting in, and put about 8 lights in here. So we'll go over it once we get it all done. So you guys have a happy new year, and have a wonderful, safe weekend, and a wonderful and safe new year.